What's cracking? We back at it, and last time we was at the track, I did not have my SD card, so I couldn't get no footage of the track. So I just uploaded shorts for y'all to see. But while we was at the track, my boy Kuda over here, aka Heavyfoot, then I don't know what he did to the motor. I don't know. The expansion tank blew up, oil was squirting everywhere, and we don't know. So right now, we about to pull the motor and see what is going on with this M50 non-vanos. I wonder. Let's see. Now we like a race team right now, man. I'm about to start on the bottom of the car, start taking off the transmission, taking off all that, and then we got my boy Kuda. He gonna do all the stuff on the top of the engine. So that's where we about to be at with it, dog. Kuda up there working on the motor, you know what I'm saying? Your boy, I'm still down there taking off the transmission mounts, the guibo, all that stuff. So that way the motor could just come out. We getting there, man. We getting close. We getting close. So yeah, man, check it out. Y'all was under there taking off the transmission mount, disconnecting the guibo and all that, disconnecting the shift linkage. So yeah, the motor should be damn near ready to come out now, dog. Yep, so now it's time to pull this motor out. We'll get ready to pull the motor out. We ain't pulled the motor out yet. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. So far, we got the chain. Those are the custom motor mount brackets that the homie made. Because, you know what I'm saying, he wanted that extra reinforced, you know what I'm saying? So his motor ain't falling out or nothing. You see that big turbo sitting right there. So my boy just taking extra precautions, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that motor mount ain't going nowhere. That engine's not going anywhere with that mount. Now my boy's starting to take the mounts off. You know, we're getting closer and closer to getting this dang motor out, man. I'm sorry that I just can't play the actual footage because there's a lot of music in the background. We were just doing our thing, vibing, you know, working on the whip, man. So yeah, now you feel it? Oh, it ain't going nowhere. Okay, it's a little wobbly now. You know what I'm saying? It's almost there. I told y'all we're getting a step and step closer to get this motor out. Cause you see that fat turbo in that manifold? You see how the manifold done burnt itself? It looks cool though. I like the color it came out after all that. You know what I'm saying? That's one day at the track. So yeah, man. I keep wiggling it because I'm like, we getting there, we getting there. So we getting close. It's stuck right there on the mount. But you just gotta lift it up a little more. See, now it's getting stuck off the mount. Gotta move it over a little bit and pull up and bang, see? Now it's coming up. So now it's ready to come up right now. Then we almost out. Telling y'all, we getting closer. We almost there. Like, yeah, dog, we almost got it, man. We about to get the motor out. So I'm trying to pull it the other way, bang. And then while I was working on the car, I forgot to take out the slave cylinder. So now the slave cylinder's out. The motor should be sliding out. I think that's everything now. We had like 3 takes. It's always something, man. When you trying to pull these motors out, it's always a little dumb stuff. But you see now it's coming out. There you go. Almost. I had to just kick it over a little bit because the wheels got stuck on that gravel. And then bang, there you have it. You see that ZF, the shift mount? That's when you know it's out. That's when you know it's out. So I'm just guiding it out, making sure it don't hit nothing or hit the frame. Bang. It's out now. We in the game, dog. All right, now it's time to take off the clutch, take off the transmission, take off all that, and get it ready to put on the engine stand. So that's what we about to do next. Transmission and clutch off. Prepare it to go on the engine stand. Dropped it real quick, you know what I'm saying? My boy Kudo on the transmission bolts. Then your boy just come in and finish the job off, remove the transmission. Now that's off. Bang, there go the clutch. Fresh clutch that my boy had up in there. So now the clutch is out of the way. The clutch is out of the way. The transmission's out of the way. Now we just gotta focus on that clutch dial. Seeing what my boy messed up. Clutch and flywheels off. Look at that rear main seal though. All the back pressure was about to blow the rear main seal off. Look at that. That was way pushed in. Now look at it. That's crazy. So now setting up the engine stand. Getting everything ready to go on. Tighten those bolts down. So we can start putting this on the stand. Get ready to break it down. And see what's going on with this thing, man. Now we got everything back set up. Chain back on. Lifting up this damn motor. So we can set it up on the stand out. And there I am, bang. Put that in there. Get a little screw for it. Put that in there. Now you can drop the motor. Bam, it'll lean a little bit. Perfect. Voila. Now disassemble, take all that off, get the crane out the way. Alright, now getting the motor prepared and ready for y'all next episode. You know what I'm saying? So if you haven't already, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow with the next episode. So yeah, man, I'm holla at y'all. Next episode, we about to see what's wrong with this motor, y'all. Peace.